Hey guys, in today's video I want to show you how to maintain your silk press for at least up to 2 weeks. As you can see, the first method I'm showing is the wrapping method. So all you need is a paddle brush, silk scarf, and I use a moisturizer. And as you can see, I'm getting started here. I'm taking my paddle brush and pushing my hair in a circular motion around my head to make a cone-like shape. And I'm going to use a little bit of the daily moisturizer just to make sure that my edges lay flat. And the moisturizer is pretty translucent, so it really just helps the hair to lay down. And the scarf that I use is square shaped, and I just fold it into a triangle. And this is the easiest way that I know how to lay my scarf. Now I want to show you guys the takedown method. Really, it's all just brushing your hair again with the paddle brush and brushing all the wrap down. And this really helps maintain your hair straight if you do this every night. And the next method I want to show you was flexi-rods. I use the red flexi-rods, and typically when you flexi-rod, you want to use big sections because it's not like you're trying to do a whole flexi-rod set. So as you see here, I have kind of a triangle section, and I'm showing you how I want my hair to curl back. I want a more of a feathered look, so I would roll up. So I'm doing sort of like a tuck and roll. And that's about how far up I want to roll up. And I'm going to go ahead and fold up my flexi rod so it stays. I'm going to take another section. And do the tuck and roll again. And tuck that in. In total, the amount of flexi rods I'll probably end up using is 6 around my whole head. And I'm back. This is me taking off my bonnet and about to take out the flexi rods. My hair actually holds curls really well, so yeah, stay tuned and see what it looks like after I finish taking them out and styling it. And you'll need the moisturizer and the comb. So as you can see here, I'm like trying to pick out the curls with my fingers. I mean, you can use a comb, but sometimes your fingers can break apart those curls a lot better. And so throughout the video, you'll see that I'll be playing with my hair a lot, trying to get it to move the way I want it to. But overall, the curls are really beautiful. It turned out great. So this is my first look. It's a side swept with a deep part. And I really like to wear this a lot when I'm going out. It's very classy and classic looking, and I just think the curls turned out really good and definitely gave a different look than the actual straight hair. And I like that. I like the versatility that you can get when you do different things to your silk press. And the next look will show you, you don't always have to look the same every day. And this is my final look. I comb my hair down and I really love these curls. This is probably how I wear my hair today and for the rest of this week. And if you made it this far in the video, thank you, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I have more content coming for you guys. Thank you.